I'm now into my 12th year of teaching, and I can say without a doubt the courses, whether that be summer institutes, whether that be workshops, whether that be different opportunities I've had with the Math Institute, without a doubt are the most impactful professional development I have had, regardless of other workshops, conferences, seminars you go to, different organizations. It's why I keep coming back and why I invested enough time and energy to change my trajectory for what I saw with my career. Just the depth of knowledge, the resources, the connections, the ways it has pushed me in different unexpected directions is not anything I've experienced with any other professional development I've ever attended.